What's up, everyone? It's Jason at KiloWattRC. Today is a big day for my brand. Just want to give a big shout out to my wife and my family. Big shout out to all the supporters, viewers, just anyone, man. Just thank you. But yeah, today's a big day. And we are trying something different here. You know how we do at KiloWattRC. We push big power. And at the cost of that, I lose lipos a lot. I'm not doing nothing wrong. I take care of them. I have a fancy eye charger, dish charger. I take really, really good care of my lipos. But when you push them, they can go bad. So I decided to come out with something like this. All right, so we have 4S, 6S, and 8S. Let's take a look at the 4S. Here are the 4S packs. Got two of them in there, man. Look, I'm gonna tell y'all one thing, man. This is what started it all. Really, I've been testing these out. My XRT. Woo! That is crazy, guys. All day KiloWattRC all day long, guys. All right, you see right here. Speed's registering. Stop. Read. See that? 123 miles an hour, guys. 123 miles an hour. She was cooking. Got these test lipos on here. You'll see more on this later on. These are 10.4 amp hour. These are literally true 80C lipos, guys. That's all I have to say. We're familiar. So it now came to life. Boatloads of power, dude. I can't even keep the wheels down in the XRT at 124 miles an hour. I'm talking about a Traxxas XRT. The power is just there. This is battery technology at its finest. These are Lipo Overkill power units. 10.4 amp hour, true 80C burst. I'm telling you, 800 amps, guys, burst. Legit. I ain't gonna put no 150, none of that. No. These are true 80C lipos. They will burst that 800 amp, and it will hold their voltage depending on your type of vehicle. I run big heavy vehicles, man, so they're gonna drop a little more voltage than them lighter cars. These things hold voltage and they don't swell. Very, very well put together packs. Got this label. This label took a lot of work to do. This is what we're gonna do. There will be revisions. There will be new kinds of packs. There'll be all kinds of stuff coming soon. But I'm telling you, these are the overkill packs. That is the 4S right there. Overkill packs, guys. I mean, look at these blue boxes, bro. Look at the labeling, man. You know what I'm saying? Just big shout out to everyone that took part in this, man. So there's the 4S. Like I said, it started out with these, man. And these things are still solid. 6S. All right, you see this? That's the 6S. Big boy stuff, all right? Big boy stuff. 6S, your 12S. Pair that up with your Hobby Wing, Max 4. Pair it up with your Max 20. This is a crazy, crazy ESC, guys. Crazy. So, yeah, this is the 6S. It's a big boy. I'm telling you. These are all 2P packs. So there's 12 cells in here. These are amazing cells. They hold their voltage. They keep low IR. Freaking awesome. Just take care of these things, man. Do not abuse them. Don't put them in no cars and slam them off ramps. Like, no. You can put them in, powerful, off-road trucks, and you can do drag, do off-road speed run. You can do field thrashing, whatever you want to do. Just don't be sending them a million feet off a ramp. That's not what these are for. These are haymakers. These are overkills. These are record breakers. Success. So here is the big nasty. All right. This is the mother of them all. This is the 8S pack. 8S pack. So we have 16 cells in here. 8S 2P. This is good for your dual motor, dual 8S. However you want to do it. It's a big pack. All right. They're all 160 millimeter. This joker right here, about 120 width. That's the 8S. The 6S, about 90 width. 4S, about 60 width. And they're all the same this direction are all 48 or 49 millimeter. All right. For us is 2 pound, 4.1 ounce. That's the 4S. All right. Let's do the 6S. It's so big we can't even do grams. Here's a 6S with a QS8. 3 pounds, 7.8 ounces. Here's the 8S. 4 pounds, 8.1 ounces. Alright? So, yeah, these jokers is some big boys. Alright? China Hobby Line. 6 amp hour. 8S. To the 8S, 2 pounds, 12 ounces. That's the 8S. Compare that to this 6S. I'm saying 3.8 pounds. Compare that to this 4S. 2 pounds, 5.1 ounces. I'm telling you, these things pack a punch. These are serious, guys. And I already lost some sales in these, and these are pretty brand new. I don't know what's going on with China Hobby Line. I'm not gonna bash them, but I will have these are on the website right now. These are live. They're not crazy expensive for what they offer. They are priced really good. Okay, just trust me. Trust KiloWattRC. These are amazing packs. Just trust me, guys. I wouldn't put no fluke stuff out here and try to steal y'all money. Just bringing something different to the table for the kind of market that I'm into. Because I just can't find anything that I like for this type of price. This is just remarkable. You know what I mean? Not to mention, look at these boxes and labels I spent so much time on, man. This is a whole nother level. So you guys buying, I believe it's free shipping for the 6S, depending on the price. I don't think the 4S is free shipping. You got to pay like $5 or something. But these big ones is free shipping or whatever. They'll be nicely packaged. You'll get this box. This will be in another box, and it'll get shipped. You know, if you get two 4S, it'll be in one box like this, and it'll be in another box. If you get one 4S, it'll be in this big box, but whatever. You know what I'm saying? Just these boxes are awesome. I'm trying to. I put a lot of work. This is not cheap stuff here. Them labels, the boxes. I went over and beyond for you guys. All right. So guys, thank you for watching. Jason and KiloWattRC. I hope you guys enjoy. If you got any questions, let me know. Y'all take it easy and peace.